Good morning, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very simple chia seed pudding and also one of my favorite vegan smoothies. You actually don't need a whole lot for this. You need honey. You don't have to use that brand, but that's the one I use. I use almond milk, black chia seeds, and then like a jar. You can use a bowl, but I'm using a jar because I still have to cover it up with the lid because we're going to be leaving it overnight because it needs time to just kind of thicken up and do this thing. And then a bowl, spoon, and that's it. Take your chia seeds, and this is what they look like. This is what chia seeds look like, and they're going to expand. Depending on how much you want to make, you're going to use different amounts, but I have a 1/4 spoon right here. So we're going to use 1/4. And depending on how thick or thin you want your consistency to be, I want mine to be a little bit more thicker, just kind of like regular pudding or like regular yogurt. So 1/4, and then also 1/4 milk. And you're gonna stir it up. We're gonna leave this mix out for about half an hour and let it sit. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna stir it up. Roughly about half an hour now, so take it off. See how it's already got a little bit thicker. Yeah. Now that it got thicker, I'm gonna add some more milk. About 1/4. As much honey as you want. I like my pudding pretty sweet, so I'm gonna add kind of a lot. It's gonna start kind of looking like oatmeal, like thicker, like oatmeal. Alright, just a splash more. Go ahead and just take it and put it into we're gonna put it into our jar. What it looks like so far. We're going to take this and we're just going to let it sit in the refrigerator. I would advise leaving it in for at least a couple of hours, even if you want to eat it the next day. Like that would be best, because it does have to take its time and just kind of like thicken up. It's not too bad right now, but I like it a little bit more thicker than it. So I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for right now. I'm going to come back a little bit later and check on it. Couple hours now, I'm going to go ahead and rinse our food off. I'm using strawberries, blueberries, and then also have a banana. Always wash your food before you eat it. Take our strawberry first, cut it off right here. And just slice it up. blueberries going. Pack it in here. And then we're gonna take banana. Drop that in. Probably gonna use about like this much, not a whole lot. Container ain't that big. Typically, I'd have like sweet granola on top of it. This granola I use by Kind. It's a peanut butter clusters. Typically, I'll add this on top, but I don't even have enough. Like, look at this packed top. You want to use something like this. It's like a bigger jar, but I like the lid that I have on mine, so I'm gonna keep mine like that because I'm about to eat it anyway, so it's not like it really matters. We're also getting ready to make smoothies. Well, a smoothie for me. Throw some fruit, baby. So in here I have already frozen strawberries, some blueberries. I'll throw them in here. Blueberries. And frozen mango. Assortment. Use any kind of juice, but I like using this one specifically because like it's pretty much 100% juice. Pour some in there, not a whole lot, but just enough. Because you can always add, but you don't want to have to add extra fruit because then you have enough smoothies for the entire block. So. Container that I was just holding up, I'm gonna use that. It's like my favorite smoothie container. Maybe I want to see inside my smoothie jar. Here it comes. Delicioso. Literally my go-to. Every single time. It's just like my go-to smoothie. Now I need a straw. So I can partake in this deliciousness. Perfect. I'm gonna have to show y'all a bunch of different smoothie recipes. I ain't gonna lie, like, my smoothies be on point. That's one thing I can do. I can make some good smoothies, alright? I can do that. So, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate y'all watching. I'm definitely gonna be doing more videos like this. This might actually be the first one I've ever done. I just made one for cookies, but I'm gonna have to redo that one over again, so that's not gonna be up Friday, but this is gonna be up Friday, so hopefully next Friday I can have the new one that I'm gonna have up, or the cookies I'm gonna have up. Hope you guys enjoy, like, subscribe, or whatever you want to do. Just make sure you come back and get some of all this good veganness, okay? So here we got our chia seed pudding and our smoothie. See you guys later. I love y'all. Y'all take care. Be easy.